Carlos here with the Slow Stick X body. This is indicative of the Slow Stick X right there. See that? It's a balsa horizontal and vertical stab, elevator and rudder. And what I have here is a ancient but very effective still Astro Flight 010 14 turn brushless right there. See those 3 wires right there? It's not a brush. It looks like a brush motor, but it is a brushless in a gearbox. And I believe that's GWS Bravo gearbox spur gear. Anyway, here's the measurement for the battery. It's a 3-cell 1350 25C by Thunder Power, and we're going to measure the amps draw here on this thing. Since we're so close to it, I'm going to put down the antenna on this thing. It's 72 megahertz, and I'm going to carefully, with all my might, hold this thing. That's quarter. That's half. And that's full, wide open. That's half. And that's quarter. And that's off. So there you have it.